As this recognition settles, we move into the final expansion. Chapter 10. Living as Source in Human Form, the Final Expansion. Slow everything down now. Not because there is something to figure out, but because this is where understanding stops being mental and starts becoming experiential. Throughout everything you have moved through, one pattern has been quietly dissolving. The belief that life is something you must constantly correct. Correct your thoughts. Correct your emotions. Correct your timing. Correct your worth. Correct your path. But in this final recognition, something very different begins to settle in. Life is not correction. It is expression. And expression does not require you to be fixed first, it requires you to be present. Now notice this carefully. When you are no longer interpreting every moment as a test of your worth, something subtle opens. Experience becomes less heavy, less personal, less contracted around identity. Thoughts still arise. Emotions still move. Life still changes. But you are no longer collapsing into every movement as if it defines you. There is space now,